Hey guys, today's project calls for installing a door handle on a 2019 Chevy Traverse. If you're new to the channel, check out the other videos we have, and also if you're wondering how to remove the door handle, check out that video I made as well. It'll be down in the description box below. So when I was installing this door handle, I noticed that the little square hole that you see right here, inside that hole it has a little metal mechanism that locks onto the back of the door handle, bites onto the back of the door handle and pulls that metal piece to open up the door. What you want to do is grab a tool that will fit in that hole, stick it through the hole, and then push on the back of that metal piece that latches onto the door handle. As you can see, it did take me quite a few times to get that tool to push on the back of that metal piece. Your main goal here is to slide the door handle into position, and then once you push that metal piece all the way forward, the back of the door handle, the black piece, will slide into that metal piece and latch onto it, and that's what pulls open the door. Once you get the door handle into place, all that's left is to put back the door cap and then use that T10 Torx bolt to screw it into place. Hopefully this video helped you out. If it did, give it a big thumbs up. Comment down below if you have any suggestions on any part that may have sounded confusing. Hopefully you understood everything I was saying. It's not always the easiest thing trying to explain how to do one of these things. Hopefully you got the gist of it. Thank you so much for taking time out of your day to watch this video, and we'll see you in the next one. Take care.